Let's go.
Welcome to Car Culture Chronicles. Get ready to witness the power, speed, and sheer dominance of the 2025 monster truck. This year's monster truck lineup is bigger, stronger, and more technologically advanced than ever before. Whether you are a hardcore monster truck fan or just love extreme motorsports, this beast is set to blow your mind. The 2025 monster truck is an engineering masterpiece. Built with a reinforced steel frame and an ultra-durable fiberglass body, this machine is designed to take on the toughest terrains. The aggressive styling, massive tires, and bold graphics make it an absolute head-turner in the arena. Under the hood, the 2025 monster truck is powered by a supercharged V8 engine, producing an earth-shaking 2,000 horsepower. This beast can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just a few seconds, making it one of the fastest monster trucks ever built. The upgraded suspension system ensures a smooth ride even when conquering the biggest jumps and roughest obstacles. This year's model comes with cutting-edge technology, including an advanced traction control system, smart telemetry for real-time performance monitoring, and an AI-powered stability system to prevent rollovers. The driver's cockpit is equipped with a digital dashboard, custom controls, and a high-tech communication system for an immersive driving experience. Whether it's crushing cars, flying over dirt ramps, or tearing through rugged landscapes, the 2025 monster truck is built to dominate. With an improved four-wheel drive system and shock absorbers designed for extreme jumps, it can handle any challenge thrown its way. Fans can catch the 2025 monster truck in action at major events around the world. From stadium showdowns to freestyle competitions, this monster is set to put on jaw-dropping performances that will leave audiences in awe. The 2025 monster truck is more than just a vehicle, it's a symbol of power, innovation, and adrenaline-pumping excitement. Whether you're watching from the stands or behind the wheel, this machine is guaranteed to deliver an unforgettable experience. Stay tuned for more updates and action-packed moments from the world of monster trucks.